Not every property shown on YouTube is for each and everyone. Some properties belongs to the people who love nature, who love privacy, who love self-evaluation. This standalone 2000 SFT property corner unit specially designed for those who love privacy. You can enjoy your own space. I'm not going to explain you this is kitchen, this is bedroom. For that, you can check the description. Just see the property and feel the ambience and see the nature from your window, balcony. Feel the presence of yours in each room. This property is specially crafted by top builders, managing directors. Once again, we are saying this property is not for everyone. This property for only those who love nature, who love privacy. Hope you will enjoy it.